chance ebalayo ithi 1 ithi 2 yathi 3 yathi bengene yathi ngibona ubani class yamamba esangeni wangangena emanzini aphosakule wangena esiswini senhlanzi wangangena emanzini abephosakule wangena endaweni uthi kamfuna kunendawo abantu bebemphosakule kodwa akangenanga endaweni aphoswa kuyo wangena endaweni ahlelelweyo because now uNkulunkulu benengxaki ye-transport yokuthi wena uzithathele your own transport and mina I prepared you a transport yamahala and yekunasilani engakazigitshela umuntu wathi uhlobo le-transport engikubekele wena angikaze ngigitshele umuntu wena ukwaze ukugibela wakhokha but tonight I've organized yes I'm a a perfect way for you a perfect transport for you that will move you from place to place power to power. She ran away.